Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoBeam, where we simplify tech for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows PC in just 5 minutes. These are quick and effective steps, no complicated settings or extra software needed. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle the programs that start automatically when you boot your PC. These can really slow down your system. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Look for programs with a high startup impact and disable the ones you don't need. Just right-click and select Disable. Don't worry, this won't uninstall the program. It just stops it from running in the background when your PC starts. Next, let's clear out temporary files that clutter your system and slow it down. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp% and hit Enter. Select all files, Ctrl plus A, and delete them. Some files may not delete. Just skip those. This frees up space and removes unnecessary junk. Let's free up space automatically by enabling Storage Sense. This feature removes unnecessary files like old temporary files and items in your recycle bin. Open Settings and go to System. Click Storage from the left menu. Under Storage Sense, toggle it on. Click Configure Storage Sense or Run it now to set it up. Choose how often you want it to run. Set it to delete files in your recycle bin or downloads folder after a certain number of days. This ensures your PC stays clutter-free without you having to manually clean it every time. Old or unused programs take up valuable space and can slow your PC. Go to Settings, then Apps, and click Apps and Features. Look for programs you no longer need. Click them and hit Uninstall. Make sure not to uninstall anything important like system utilities. Finally, give your PC a fresh start. A restart clears out background processes and applies all the changes we just made. And that's it. Your PC should feel much faster now. These simple steps can make a big difference in your computer's performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to TechnoBeam for more tech tips. See you in the next video.